It's a weather action day as strong winds bring high fire danger. Here's some video of that wind up in northern Colorado today as the area prepares for a power safety shutoff from Xcel Energy. Fire danger is back in the forecast tomorrow.
All right, here we go again. Danielle's in with that. So, I mean, this is some serious wind tomorrow.
Well, it was just late December, right? We were dealing with a very similar setup, and yet again, this is happening for us. Tomorrow, wind gusts a whole lot stronger than today, easily 60 to 70 miles per hour.
Today wasn't nothing. Yeah.
Compared to that, right? So that's the reason the National Weather Service has put out yet again another red flag warning, with really the focus up there in northern Colorado, Larimer, Weld counties, where we are seeing these potential shutoffs, and then off to the eastern plains as well. Humidity values, like I mentioned, so low. So if we do get a spark, the potential for wildfires to fly and fly fast definitely is going to be out there. This is our vantage point looking out at Lookout Mountain. Pretty quiet evening thus far, bit breezy here and there, but nothing compared to what we're expecting tomorrow. 60s for daytime highs this afternoon in the metro area, off to the eastern plains. 42 in Steamboat. We're sitting in the upper 40s around Gunnison, and 50 in Montrose. Climate calendar still well above average. Typically, we should be looking at daytime highs in the mid 40s, overnight lows in the teens. Look at that. We only dropped off to 36 degrees. Here comes that next cold front. This one a whole lot stronger than the one we saw earlier this week. Not only will it help to kick up the winds, but it also has some really cool air, relatively speaking, back behind it. So that's going to filter in, and tomorrow will be a lot cooler, and that cooler air is going to stick around for the start of the weekend. Partly cloudy skies on tap tonight. That cold front expected to push in right around 11 midnight or so. That's when you'll feel it and probably hear it too when you're trying to sleep. Temperatures drop off into the 20s overnight here for the metro area. Another night mainly in the teens up through the mountains. And then look at this. This is our wind gust forecast. Here we are about 6 o'clock or so this evening. The foothills, the ones dealing with the worst of the wind. That cold front, as it drives through, is going to help to whip up the winds overnight, and then again tomorrow afternoon. The jet stream kind of riding in atop Colorado, and this is where we could easily see 40 to 50 mile per hour speeds across I-76 out toward the foothills, Allens Park, Estes Park, expecting to see some very strong winds out there too. And then this takes us into Saturday morning, a little quieter here in Denver. A lot of tailgaters will be out at Empower Field, but if you're joining us from the foothills, again off to the eastern plains, it still will be a breezy start to the day with quieter conditions later Saturday evening for eastern Colorado. But that cold front, it is knocking on our back door, and it will be here before you know it. Again, the timing 11 midnight tonight as it swings in. The high country, especially the northern mountains, could see a little bit of light snowfall, an inch, 2 inches tops out of this one as we go into the morning hours, a mix of sun and clouds here in Denver. But really the focus will be on the winds for us tomorrow and the cooler temperatures. Later tomorrow evening, 5 o'clock, that cold front starts to move out. That cooler air still in place. Cloud cover builds in with still some lingering snow up in the mountains. A high wind warning also in effect for us tomorrow. In fact, it goes into effect within the hour. 75 plus mile per hour wind gusts potentially expected northern Colorado, and then off to the eastern plains. I've been talking about that cooler air. It has been such a mild winter that yes, this is actually going to feel a little bit more like the winter season around here, with highs tomorrow sitting in the lower 40s. We still will have some sunshine out there, but it will be cosmetic, because with the winds and the cooler temperatures, you're going to have to find your winter coat for sure. We'll stay in the 30s across the eastern plains, teens 20s up in the mountains. And then looking at the super 7-day forecast, it's cool on Saturday, but we'll have the sunshine. Another cooler day next Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and then we're back to the 50s before you know it.
All right. Thank you, Danielle.